Hello everyone. So today we'll see how to make an introduction for your project or your research paper that you're going to publish. Okay. So basically some important points you should not miss while writing your introduction. So the first thing, you can start with what is the basic history of your area on the major area on which you are proceeding your project. Okay, so just tell about the history means it is not like whenever it started and who was the person behind that, not like that, just what was the concept to get a timeline. Okay, so just for example, since I'm from computer science background, if I'm doing a project related with the processor efficiency, I can say what was initially existed. For example, initially the processor was single core. From there a new concept came, which is dual core. From that again some enhancement, some experiments happened, then the multi-core concept came. Likewise, you can, without losing the connection between each content or each timeline points, you can briefly explain what is the history behind your area. Okay, then tell about the what is the major or the latest advancement or what is the latest innovative idea happened in your area. Okay, maybe if you are going to publish in 2021, maybe that can be like in 2020 or 19. Okay, the latest innovative system may be developed in 2020 or 2019. Okay, so likewise you can tell about the latest development. After that, come to your project. Okay, what is the base on which, or what is the basic principle on which you are implementing your project, or what is the drawback that you found out in which existing system, and like what is the concept you are going to introduce to prompt or to alleviate that issue. Okay, so like that you can explain about your system. Okay, so in a neat way you can just wind up the introduction part without elaborating lot of content. Okay, so just include these points, and keep in mind you are not supposed to copy any sentences from any of the resources. Okay, you can refer lot of resources, you can have read the papers, read other research work, anything you can do, but don't copy any sentences from these materials. You have to write every sentence by yourself. That is very important. Also, if you are including any system or any mechanisms in your introduction or anywhere, any chapters in the paper, you have to draw it by yourself. Even though it is a complicated figure, without losing the actual principle of the system, you can make your own image. Okay, and you have to draw and you can include that in your paper. So these two things are very important. Okay, so likewise please do try to make a better introduction for your research paper. Definitely you have to do lot of proofreading. Okay, so that you can find out wherever comes the repetition, the repeating sentences, or repeating, if you maybe wrote more than one time the same concept. So likewise it can happen. So you have to do the proofreading. You can read and give to some of your friends and tell them to read. Okay, likewise just do it and make a perfect introduction. Okay, so I hope it is clear for you, and please put your comments, and you can have your feedback about the session. Okay, we'll come with another topic, especially how to write a literature review. In the next session, I'll be talking about what is a literature review, how to do that. Okay, we'll see that in the next session. So thank you.